So my name is Associate Professor Dr. Patama Satawedin. I'm currently the Director of Master of Communication Arts in Digital Marketing Communications Program from Bangkok University, Thailand. Okay, personally, I would prefer online conference, to be honest. The main reasons are to convenience and also the comfort for attending like the online conference rather than the physical conference. So it also helps widen like the opportunities for the scholars and also for the students who have got a limited budget in order to travel around, and also who have got like some kinds of the constraints, like for example, like the working load and so forth that they have to manage. So it's quite easier, basically, to attend like the online conference. Okay. Well, I would say yes. I respect the fact that offline conference can encourage the people for like the engagement and also for the participations among like the participants. But for me myself, in regards to like the questions that you have just asked me, arranging conference online can provide participants more convenient and more comfortable. To encourage the interactive engagement and participations between the participants likewise, I honestly feel very enjoyable and impressed when with an interactive and also the roundtable activity and discussions that provide by the Eurasia Research. Always when you arrange like the online conference, you have got like sessions that provide the participants to have like interactive discussions and also activities. So it means that it can help enhance and also encourage more engagement and more participations among the participants while online conference. Okay, so first of all, I would like to express my profound thanks for Eurasia Research for always thinking of me and inviting me as like the keynote speakers for several conference and many conference basically, which helped me a lot in order to open my points of view, my perspective, both in academic and also professional. And with participating like the conference, also I can get like different cultural experience and mindset. So I think that the Eurasia Research conference as such like the golden space for learning and experiencing and also making friends